Hi, and welcome to the Finances Tracker section. Here is a kind of pretty straightforward in-house way to track your finances, both what you make from different sales of artworks, classes, and smaller items, as well as your incoming expenses. So here we have the summary. So this automatically imports information from the table below. So basically, you can put in the information. Say you have a blue landscape and you made, say, it was a sale done, say, 17th of February, you made $5,000 on it, you put it in, that will be still in Q1, and then you can label it. Is this artwork? Is this a course? Sometimes people make new things. It could be artwork courses, it could be coaching. As your business expands, as your products change, you can filter them out. Sometimes you want more specific categories, so you can add different tags alongside artwork, or you can make other columns, which we'll get into when we talk about customization. But once you do this, you can see all of your income, you can see the current month, and as needed, you can add further views. We like table view, and you can filter this view to see filter, date, and you can choose, for example, this week, this month, this year. You can choose specific dates. Say I want to look between, say I want to look at next month. You can look at next month. You can choose specific dates, so that way, for example, we might want to know what are we doing this quarter, how much have we made, how much have we done this year. If you don't like these views, as always, you can delete that view and go back to normal. And the same thing goes with expenses. So as you bring in income in this first table, you can also track how I had to pay any art supplies, any studio fees, and you can create and customize your own tags. Is it transportation costs? Is it applications to art fairs? Whatever your expenses come up, create a tab, put an entry, and it'll track out your gross expenses for this year, as well as the different income you've made. And so up here, based off of the quarter, you can find out and kind of keep an eye on how much am I making, how much am I spending, and then what's the kind of gross income we're making. So thank you.